Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This model is a HP 15 FD series. I'm just going to show you the internal parts. This one is the battery AE03XL battery model number, and this is M.2 nvme 512 GB, only one slot, one M.2 nvme slot, and two memory slot DDR4 3200 speed DDR4. And have a look the memory, what is the capacity by default. Comes with a data brand 8 GB 3200 speed DDR4. So this model number is a FD0602TU model, 15.6 inch screen. It's a Core i7 12th generation processor, and this is the second memory we are going to add. So total 16 GB, 8 plus 8, 16 GB. So 2 memory slot, 1 M.2 slot. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.